Okay, I'm making a right on Nob Hill. Looks like some large land and horses and some more modern homes as well. This is the view. Okay, so here's the road. It's a beautiful day, a little bit windy, but right up when you get to this park over there, there's a gorgeous view of the mountains. And this is the road. It's a nice neighborhood. It seems quiet. Got the solar panels. I know if you're interested in that, Paul. Curb appeal is nice. Go pop in. Really cute front yard area. So, stepped in. It is owner occupied. Owners are moving to San Francisco area. Kitchen. Yeah, I like these windows. This is a cute setup. Okay. 2-car garage. Sorry. No, you're fine. Okay. Master bedroom. It's got the different flooring, as you can see. Looks like it's in good shape. It's definitely the cheaper flooring in here. I wonder if it was carpet before. Bathroom. Master bathroom. Primary bathroom, to be politically correct. It's a high ceilings, which is nice. Get in here so you can see the whole thing. Okay. And you have access to the outside from your bedroom. So that's to the front yard. It's an interesting little door there. And then to the backyard. Okay. Go back into the primary bedroom. Closet's pretty big. Say about maybe 8 feet long closet. Okay. So now we're back in the hallway. Here's the other bedroom. Definitely a bit smaller. The closet. And so this is kind of interesting. I don't think this is actually considered a bedroom, at least on the tax records. They run a daycare, as you can tell, in that room. This would be easy to open up if you wanted to and just make it one big space if you didn't need the bedroom. So next bathroom, definitely they updated it. Nice walk-in shower. Nice shower head too. So that's the second full bath. Okay, now we got the next bedroom. Closet. Got some storage here. And the final bedroom. Love all the windows to the outside. There's actually a good amount of light. And then we've got this closet. Okay, now we'll go back to the main room and outside.
It's a three bedroom, or it's a 2-bedroom, 3-story, but we have a bathroom on each floor. And it's a full bathroom.
Best open house he's ever been to, probably. Okay. So here is the gate to the front yard again. And we're just going back to the backyard from the other side. This is very cute. Not sure if the water fountain conveys, but I can check. These mountain views from the back here are gorgeous. So you have neighbors over there, but they sit down from, there's a slope, so you actually can't see their yard or barely even their roof from here, which is nice. And I'm tall, so. Okay, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, Paul. I'm trying to see if this is a fruit tree. No, I think it is, but I don't see what kind of fruit. This concrete's in pretty good shape. I don't see any huge cracks or anything. So it's hard to tell from the videos, but basically behind the house and just in this whole neighborhood, you've got these mountains behind. Here's a good shot, yeah. And you could kind of see them from the backyard of your house as well. But again, I'm going down another little hill, so lots of rolling hills. Lots of mountains. And seems like a nice neighborhood overall. Let's see if I can get a better view when I make a left over here. So we're about, 2 blocks from your house right now. This is the street the subject property's on. Here is the house. Right there where the lady's walking out. And what's cool is there's this beautiful park right down the street. So I don't think you mentioned you have any pets, but if you did, I saw some dogs running around, and it's a Nice little park. There's a bridge. Gorgeous.